Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of YouTube monetization, specifically focusing on how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views in 2025. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, so does the way creators earn money on this platform. With changes in algorithms, advertising strategies, and viewer engagement, understanding the financial potential of YouTube has never been more crucial for aspiring content creators. In recent years, we've seen a significant shift in how revenue is generated, with factors like niche, audience demographics, and content type playing pivotal roles in determining earnings. This video aims to unravel the complexities of YouTube's payment structure, providing you with insights into what you can realistically expect to earn as a creator. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting your journey, knowing the potential earnings from your hard work can be incredibly motivating. So, stick around as we explore the numbers, trends, and tips that can help you maximize your revenue on YouTube in 2025. Get ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube monetization and discover how you can turn your passion into profit. Understanding YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization is the process through which creators earn money from their content, primarily through advertisements. At the heart of this system are two key terms, CPM, or cost per mille, and RPM, or revenue per mille. CPM refers to the amount advertisers pay for every 1,000 ad impressions, while RPM indicates how much revenue a creator earns per 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. Understanding these metrics is crucial for creators looking to maximize their earnings. Ads play a significant role in generating revenue for creators. When viewers watch a video, they may encounter various types of ads, including skippable and non-skippable ads, bumper ads, and overlay ads. The more engaging and relevant the content, the higher the likelihood of viewers watching these ads, which directly impacts a creator's earnings. Moreover, audience engagement and niche selection are vital components of successful monetization. Creators who cultivate a loyal audience and choose a specific niche often see better engagement rates, leading to higher CPMs and RPMs. By focusing on quality content that resonates with viewers, creators can enhance their monetization potential and build a sustainable income stream on YouTube. Factors influencing earnings. When it comes to how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views, several factors come into play that can significantly impact a creator's earnings. One of the most critical elements is the type of content being produced. For instance, tutorial videos often attract higher CPM rates compared to vlogs, as advertisers are keen to target audiences looking for specific products or services. This means that creators focusing on educational or niche content may see better earnings than those producing more casual or lifestyle videos. Geographical differences also play a crucial role in determining ad rates. Advertisers often allocate larger budgets to regions with higher purchasing power, meaning that creators in countries like the United States or Canada may earn more per 1,000 views than those in other regions. Additionally, viewer demographics, such as age and interests, can influence the types of ads shown, further affecting earnings. Seasonal trends can also impact advertising budgets. For example, during the holiday season, companies typically ramp up their advertising efforts, leading to higher CPMs. Understanding these factors can help creators strategize their content and maximize their earnings potential on YouTube. Projected earnings in 2025. As we look ahead to 2025, projected earnings for 1,000 views on YouTube are expected to evolve significantly based on current data and trends from 2023. In recent years, average CPM rates have fluctuated between $2 to $10, depending on content type and audience engagement. Analysts predict that by 2025, these rates could increase, potentially reaching $12 to $15 per 1,000 views, driven by higher demand for targeted advertising and the growth of e-commerce integration within video content. However, potential changes in YouTube's monetization policies could also impact these earnings. With ongoing discussions about creator compensation and ad revenue sharing, YouTube may introduce new features or adjustments that could either enhance or limit earnings for creators. For instance, the platform might implement more stringent guidelines for monetization eligibility, which could affect smaller channels. Industry experts suggest that as the competition for ad space intensifies, creators who focus on niche content and maintain high engagement levels will likely see better earnings. Additionally, the rise of alternative revenue streams, such as memberships and merchandise sales, may supplement traditional ad revenue, providing creators with more financial stability in the evolving landscape of YouTube monetization. Case studies of successful creators. To understand the potential earnings on YouTube, let's explore some successful creators from diverse niches and the strategies they employ to maximize their revenue. One notable example is MKBHD, a tech reviewer who combines high-quality production with in-depth analysis. With over 16 million subscribers and millions of views per video, his CPM can range from $8 to $12, translating to substantial earnings from ad revenue alone. In the beauty niche, Nikki Tutorials has built a massive following by showcasing makeup tutorials and product reviews. With over 14 million subscribers, her videos often garner millions of views, allowing her to earn significant income not just from ads but also through brand partnerships and sponsored content. Another example is Dude Perfect, a sports and entertainment channel that features trick shots and challenges. With over 60 million subscribers, their engaging content attracts high view counts, leading to CPMs around $10 to $15. They also diversify their income through merchandise sales and live events. These creators illustrate that success on YouTube often comes from a combination of engaging content, strategic partnerships, and a keen understanding of their audience, allowing them to maximize their earnings across multiple revenue streams. Tips for maximizing earnings. For creators looking to boost their earnings on YouTube, focusing on high CPM niches is a smart strategy. Topics like finance, technology, and health often attract advertisers willing to pay more for targeted ads. By aligning content with these lucrative niches, creators can significantly increase their potential earnings per 1,000 views. Optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags is another crucial step for enhancing discoverability. Creators should use relevant keywords that resonate with their target audience, making it easier for viewers to find their videos. A compelling title can grab attention, while a well-crafted description provides context and encourages clicks. Tags help categorize content, improving searchability on the platform. Engaging with the audience is essential for building a loyal subscriber base. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating community polls can foster a sense of connection and encourage viewers to return. Additionally, creators can leverage social media platforms to promote their videos and interact with fans, further expanding their reach. By focusing on high CPM content, optimizing for discoverability, and actively engaging with their audience, creators can maximize their earnings and build a sustainable presence on YouTube. In summary, understanding YouTube earnings in 2025 involves recognizing the various factors that influence revenue, such as content type, audience engagement, and geographical differences. As we've discussed, creators can expect potential CPM rates to rise, especially in high-demand niches. By optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags, and actively engaging with their audience, creators can significantly enhance their monetization potential. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on maximizing your YouTube earnings. We regularly share strategies and updates that can help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of content creation. Additionally, if you know someone who could benefit from this knowledge, please share this video with them. Exploring related content on our channel can provide you with even more tools and techniques to succeed on YouTube. Your engagement not only helps us grow but also fosters a community of creators eager to learn and thrive together. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.